Hey there! Do you want to make your Shopify store run like a well-oiled machine? Shopify Flow can do that. This app helps you create automatic tasks that resolve themselves. In this video, we'll walk you through understand what is Shopify Flow and how it works. Next is how to install this app and learn to set it up without any code. Plus, we'll show you how to create effective workflows that save time and prevent fraud. I'm Leanne. Stick with me, and let's transform your store's operations together. First, let's dive into Shopify Flow and its key parts. So, what exactly is Shopify Flow? It's an app on Shopify that helps automate tasks, saving you time and reducing mistakes. This means you can focus more on growing your business. To try Shopify Flow, check the description. We've prepared a link directly to this app so you can install it easily. Shopify Flow has three main parts: triggers, conditions, and actions. Triggers are events that start the workflow. For example, when an order is placed, that's a trigger. Conditions are like questions the system asks. They check what happens next. For example, it might check if a customer has placed more than one order. Actions are what the system does if the conditions are met. For instance, if a product's quantity drops below 1, the system will hide it. Now let's put it all together with a simple example. An order is placed. This is called the trigger. The system checks if the customer has ordered before. This step is the condition. If they haven't, the system sends them a thank you message with a promotion for a discount on their next purchase. This step is called the action. This way, Shopify Flow helps automate tasks and makes your store run smoothly. Now that you know what Shopify Flow is, are you interested? If yes, let's move on to how to install it. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. In the search bar, type Flow, find and select the app with green avatar. Then, you will be redirected to the Shopify App Store to install it. Click the Install button and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once it's done, you can find it anytime in the App section in the left-hand menu. Just select Shopify Flow to start creating your workflows. Now, how to set up Shopify Flow without code. Before setting up, we highly recommend installing Shopify Email. Many triggers require it, and it must be set up before you can activate your workflow. Additionally, there are other apps for reviews, email marketing, upselling, or gift card. We've included a link to apps that work with Shopify Flow. By connecting these apps to Shopify Flow, you can automate tasks across tools. After installing an app, you will see its triggers and actions in Shopify Flow. You have understood the three main components in Shopify Flow. To set up a flow, click on the Create Workflow button and hit Select a Trigger. In the search bar, type your keyword, for example, Inventory Quality Change. Select the trigger which match your idea. Next, ask yourself if this event needs a condition. If not, you can select the action option here. If this event needs a condition, choose Condition instead. In the Condition component, there are two options for you: if all conditions are met or if any condition is met. You know what this means? You can select this based on your needs. When you are done choosing, hit Add Criteria. Type your keyword in the search bar, for example, Product Quantity, and you will see many options with titles and descriptions. So convenient, right? I will select Inventory Quantity, for example. Add the condition you want, then save it. That's how you can set up the condition component. Finally, the action. Click on the plus icon again, select Actions, search for the keyword, and pick an app. Remember, if you use app, install, and set it up first. If not, your flow will fail at the action step. Finally, when you're happy with your setup, hit Turn on the workflow and start testing it with your own before launch to your customers. And that is how you can set up Shopify Flow with ease. But that's not all. You can save time by using templates in Shopify Flow, which offers numerous benefits. These templates provide ready-made workflows that you can quickly implement and customize. Templates also reduce the risk of errors in your store management processes, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Plus, they help you automate repetitive tasks, freeing up more time to focus on growing your business. So, back to the step where you click on Create Workflow. Instead of picking Select a Trigger, you can select Browse Templates. In the search bar, type your keyword in, for example, hide out of stock product. Select a template and click on Install to add it to your workflows. Now, it's time to customize it to fit your specific requirements. For the Hide Out of Stock Products template, set the trigger to inventory quantity changes and add conditions to check if the product is out of stock. This customization ensures that the workflow meets your unique needs. Activate your workflow by clicking Turn on Workflow, and it's all set. Honestly, these workflows work very well, and there are plenty of common templates that any store can use. I will go deeper into the 3 templates that are most used. The first workflow is to monitor delivery status. You can use Shopify Flow to annually check the status of all orders fulfillment with the wait action. If an order hasn't been filled, you and your logistics team will be notified, allowing you to contact the customer and speed up the order. This workflow helps your business be proactive and reduce negative customer feedback, and gives you insights and helps you make adjustments to prevent future delays. The second workflow is inventory quantity changes. Stockouts happen, and most visitors understand that. The problem arises when merchants don't communicate that a product is out of stock. This workflow automatically hides a product from your online store when it goes out of stock. When the item is back in stock, it republishes the product and notifies your marketing team to reactivate the ads. The third workflow is to automate the product review process. When a new product review is created, Flow checks the star rating and determines the appropriate actions. For example, 5-star reviews are tracked in a spreadsheet and shared with sales and marketing team to highlight positive customer feedback. Conversely, 1 and 2-star reviews are tracked in a spreadsheet, and a support ticket is created for customer service to address the issue with the reviewer. Reviewers also receive loyalty points for taking the time to complete a review. You can check the comments for more templates. And that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.